This is Jonathan Mendez, your licensed real estate broker in San Quintin, Baja California, Mexico. And today I would like to greet you from Hacienda San Quintin, which is developing right on the water, because we have a house for sale. It's a 2-bedroom house with 2 full-size bathrooms. So I invite you to take the time to watch the video so you can get all details of this great house for sale we have. Thank you. Very much for watching this video with me. If you have any questions, please leave them below this video and I will be more than happy to give you all the information you need. And once again, I want to thank you for all the support I get from you in social media and especially in this channel, your channel.